Finger licking, have it your way. Eat more chicken, be less gay. A little more hype, a little less slay. Get us out of guac?
Now you're gonna pay.
Got the white girls deep in a chokin'. Ice cream machines are McBroken. This ain't the place to be woken. Best parking lot to do cokin'. Outlived the actual queen. Spirit Airlines of Chinese cuisine. This an infamous marketing team.
Have you ever had a Krispy Kreme?
When you can't afford a real safari. Italy, sweetie, I'm so sorry. 4 for 4, now that's gnarly. If you eat here, well, good luck, Charlie. Who goes here? Not a clue. Who out pizzas the Hut? They do. Tastes pretty good for being fake food. Hamburger Mary's for a straight dude. Trisha Paytas is head of the chair committee. Kinda bland, but at least the stairs are pretty this litty. If you like waitin', roller skating, beware of Caitlin.